hurricane coming!
Gustav, look.
That's Gustav, it can't stop us. Put it down cause I'm hotter than the tropics. I got this and I'm not gonna quit. It's not here yet though. It's coming. And I wonder, what are people doing when such a storm is brewing? What are people doing, huh? I know what they're doing. They're probably inside playing Mario Party while there's a storm, a magnificent, massive, huge storm of which proportions we have never seen. But here, among us, here's what the people are doing.
What if we dipped it with...
Look, she tries it and then she...
Are y'all feeding my dog beer?
Are you videotaping? Stop, you motherfucker!
Are you feeding my dog? Are you feeding my dog beer? There's a hurricane coming.
Chris, fucking turn that off and erase it. Now.
This is what the hurricane did last night. Jeez.